After the recent update, we can finally generate emojis in macOS. Simply press Ctrl, Command and Spacebar all together. And then you will see at the very top we got this recent change. Instead of search for emoji, we can describe an emoji. And in case you don't have any results, they will give you option to create new emoji. Click on that. If you're using this for the very first time, you'll get this introduction screen. Let's continue. So I type smile face black glasses. We got one version generated, but you can keep scrolling right to see different versions based on my description. Alright, if you found the one that you're happy with, you can click add. And it will be added to your emoji stack here at the very top, so you can use it whatever you like. Alternatively, you can jump straight to emoji generator by pressing this little plus emoji button, and you can describe your brand new emoji. Keep in mind, from time to time you will see this error message. Try another description if they are not able to detect kind of generate what you need. For example, I asked for T-Rex jumping. Unfortunately, no result for this one. But take a look, I fixed my spelling and they managed to generate some kind of dinosaur for me. Alright, so always try to fix your prompt if they're giving you the error message. Maybe just different spelling will do the trick. Alright, I actually get the one I want here. I got jumping T-Rex, I can add this and I can now use it whatever I need. Alright, so that's how you can generate new emojis now also in macOS. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.